They're chasing you. Ah, they're right on top. They're gonna poo on us, guys. Mama, get away. They're gonna poo on our head.
Here.
No, Tita, don't let her on the beach. She's laughing at you. Joe, pick it up. Oh, look, they're right above Daddy. Oh my God, that's cray cray.
It's a good thing I don't have them.
Sweetie, look at them. They're right over your head. Can I throw one?
There's no more.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh, they went funny. Do it again right over Buddy's head so I can take a picture. That is cool. Sweetie, they're right over your head. I mean, like right. Look at that one.
They can't quit.
I know. How do they know? Hi, Cocoa Beanies.